Welcome back to another Power Up Minute. In this minute, we're going to talk about how you can use the Copilot in Excel in order to prepare your spreadsheets for use in Copilot Studio. In this case, I'm just going to remove duplicates. So I'm going to go down to the lower right and open the Copilot. When it opens, I'd like you to make sure that you're in agent mode. And agent mode enables the Copilot to live edit your file, remove duplicate values from the name column. So I just want to get rid of the duplicates. I noticed that when we merged the file, a lot of the rows got duplicated by accident. So we need to remove those duplicates, otherwise it'll confuse our AI when we're asking questions on this spreadsheet. So I'm going to send that, and you will notice that it will go through and actually remove the duplicate values from the name column. This is huge. Remember that there's so many things you can do in the context of your Excel file using the Copilot that will help you clean up your files and make them better opportunities for Copilot Studio. And that's the tip for today. Check out more at aka.ms/powerup.